So you bought a Tilta Nucleus Nano II but having trouble nailing your focus, annoyed by accidentally swiping the screen and can't focus, missing the marker ring? Here is my solution, a 3D printed Nano II mod. It's an easy install and you can add swappable marker rings. I'm Chungdha and I am a focus puller from the Netherlands, and I've been using the Tilta Nucleus Nano II for several months now and have used this setup on multiple films and commercial projects. The mod makes the Nano II into a budget Arri or a C-motion remote, as the mod makes the knob of the Nano II as big as the one of the Arri and the C-motion. Also, it allows you to use the same marker rings from the Arri and C-motion on the Nano II. The larger size not only gives you a better hold, but also makes it easier to make precise focusing. And it raises your hand and palm away from the touchscreen to avoid accidentally swiping the touchscreen. There's also a focus indicator if you use the Nano II in a focus station setup. I suggest using the nicely rigged NATO 50mm rod clamp, which I use in my focus station. If you want to get this mod, there's a link to Code3D where you can purchase the STL files, and if you don't have access to a 3D printer, you can print it out via CraftCloud 3D, where you can find a company to print it for you and ship it to your doorstep. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.